Did you know a Roman emperor was turned into a human footstool and his skin became a trophy for centuries? In 260 AD, Emperor Valerian led his armies into Persia, confident of victory. But at the Battle of Edessa, everything went wrong. Persian king Shapur I crushed the Roman forces and did something unthinkable. He captured Valerian alive. No Roman emperor had ever been taken prisoner before. What happened next was even worse. Shapur forced the most powerful man in the world to get on his hands and knees. Every time the Persian king wanted to mount his horse, he used Valerian as his personal stepping stool. The humiliation lasted for years until Valerian finally died in captivity. But Shapur wasn't finished. He had the dead emperor's skin removed, dyed bright red, and hung it in a Persian temple like a hunting trophy. For centuries, visitors could see the preserved skin of Rome's greatest shame. This single defeat shocked the empire and triggered the crisis of the 3rd century. One battle changed everything.